In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to a drop-down menu in Shopify. If you've been navigating the backend of your Shopify store and are looking to enhance your customers' shopping experience, you're in the right place. Adding products to a drop-down menu is a fantastic way to organize your offerings and make browsing your store more intuitive for potential buyers. First, let's log into your Shopify admin panel. It's crucial that you're on the admin panel, as this is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look for the Online Store tab on the left-hand sidebar and give that a click. When you do this, a couple of options will drop down, and you'll want to select Navigation. Navigation is where you'll manage all your menus. Now, you'll see a list of the different menus you currently have. Look for the one you want to add your product to and click on it. This could be your main menu if you're looking to add a drop-down from your home page, or it might be a submenu, depending on your site structure. Once you've found and selected your chosen menu, you'll be able to edit its contents. Next, you'll notice a button labeled Add Menu Item. Click on it, and you'll see a field where you can enter the name of the product or category you wish to add. Type the name here, but make sure it's clear and easily recognizable to your customers. Next, you'll be asked to link this menu item. Since you want to link to a specific product, click on Products in the link options, and then find and select the product you're planning on adding to your drop-down menu. Once you've linked the product, look for a checkbox or option to make this a nested list. You'll want to ensure that this new product is placed under the correct heading so it's part of a drop-down rather than a standalone menu item. Drag and drop the new product under the desired heading to create this effect. This organization will help your customers quickly find what they're looking for without unnecessary searching. Finally, double-check your work by clicking Save to ensure all your changes are properly applied. It's always a good idea to go to your live website to preview the changes. This ensures everything looks and functions as expected. By organizing your products into drop-down menus, you enhance both the aesthetic and functionality of your site, ultimately leading to a more satisfying shopping journey for your customers. And there you have it. With these steps, you've added a product to a drop-down menu in Shopify. Feel free to explore and customize as much as you wish. The more organized your store, the better the shopping experience you provide. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!